Okay, hi everyone. My name is Matt Cocking. I'm the forester for the Natural Resources Conservation Service in Northwestern California. And I just wanted to show you where a couple of NRCS resources can be found, in particular where you can find some of our practice standards if you are planning with landowner clients and you're a forester in California and you want to find where you can access that. I just wanted to show you. So hopefully you can see I've got my browser open here. This is the Zoom launch window, but I have our field office technical guide bookmarked. So this is where you would find our practice standards. If I click on it, hopefully you can see the web address there, efotg.sc.egov/#. If you go to that website, you will come to this web page, and you'll be able to select here the state that you're in. So California. Click submit. Your content is loading. Okay, so I selected California. I clicked submit, and my content has now loaded. And you can see, if you scroll down, you've got all these sections. Each one of these sections has different types of information. Our practice standards are in section 4. If you click that little drop-down arrow, it'll open up another drop-down that says old section 4. You click that, and then it'll tell you ask you what you want. Conservation practices approved in California. We have some interim ones, and then this is archived old stuff. What you want is that top one, the California approved practice. You just click that, and then it just drops down a list of every practice we have. These are alphabetized, and then the numbers, the practice codes, are in parentheses after each of the names. So if you wanted to look at, let's say, prescribed burning, you would go down to P for prescribed burning, and there it is, prescribed burning, practice code 338. You click on it, your content is loading, and then on the right-hand side here, pops open. We have some implementation requirements, standard forms, so this would be a blank template to create some specifications for prescribed burning. And a smoke management guide is in here. And then this is a specification. And as we scroll down, there's the standard. So this is the standard for prescribed fire. If you click on the standard, all our practices have one of these. This is what they look like. So for prescribed burning, code 338, you have a definition, a purpose, some bullet points, conditions where the practice applies, some criteria. So at a minimum, implementation of our practices have to follow these standards. For each one of our practices, we have one of these documents. So if you want to find those, that's where you find those. If you want to know more about our programs, I suggest just going to Google, typing in NRCS Programs. And the first thing that pops up in my search is Programs NRCS California USDA. You might get this one, NRCS Conservation Programs, at the national website. So if I click that, opens a web page, hopefully eventually, there. You come to this page. Our website is usually situated with this menu up at the top. We have topics, programs, newsroom, blog, and contact. The programs, you can get the drop down and look at Farm Bill programs, initiatives, easements. But if you just click on programs itself in the blue, I think it'll take you directly to this NRCS Conservation Programs page. But you can click on funding opportunities available from NRCS programs right here. NRCS provides funding opportunities for agricultural producers and other landowners. Financial assistance. So here talks about CSP, Conservation Stewardship Program, which I talked about in my talk, and EQIP, Environmental Quality Incentives Program. So we have some easement programs as well that I didn't talk about, but that is one place you can go to get more information about our programs. In addition, you can call your local NRCS office. You can call me. You can call our state office in Davis. Anyone is probably willing to help you if you have questions. So. All right. Hope you enjoyed that for those of you who wanted it, and hope to see you back soon. All right. Thank you.